A recent viewer recently commented, when anyone talks about affiliate marketing on YouTube, they only cover the easy topics, fitness, make money online, things like that. My niche is in motivational quotes, and it's actually really difficult to find affiliate offers. So could you do a video about that? And I responded, I love a challenge. So in this video, I'm not only going to show you how to make money online with Christian motivational quotes, I'm going to show you why it might be a good idea to look at the religion niche to help you make money online. So watch this entire video to walk through this entire process, how you can go from idea to actually potentially start making some money. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt, and as a successful affiliate marketer, I have earned commissions with everything from security cameras to stand mixers, sound bars, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want real affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you already own. First thing I want to do is show you how big the religion market size is so that you can see that this could potentially be a good opportunity, some different ways that you can find affiliate programs, and even how to promote those affiliate programs. So the first thing, let's jump into Google here. And I just Googled religion market size. And as you can see, it says religion annually contributes about $1.2 trillion of socioeconomic value to the United States economy. So $1.2 trillion is nothing to sneeze at. That is a good amount of money for you to get into and take advantage. But within religion, there are so many sub niches. Obviously, there are different religions, but then within different religions, there's different subtopics as well. What you absolutely want to do, and I'm just going to show you how, I'm just going to Google types of Christians, just to show you how many people, how many different subtopics of Christians there are. Well, I'll just start with types of religion, and you're going to see that there are 18 major world religions, but then within Christianity, for example, we'll say types of Christianity, and then you're going to see that there are tons of different Christianity types within Christian. So there's a bunch of subtopics there. And then within each of these, like Lutheran, for example, I used to work for a Lutheran school. There are different types of Lutheran synods in the United States. For example, there's the Missouri one, there's Wisconsin, there's all sorts of them. So the absolutely first thing that I recommend that you do is get painfully, obviously clear on your niche. Who are you going to target? It's not going to be enough just to target Baptists, because within Baptists, there's Southern Baptists and there's other types. You are going to want to niche down and find a targeted area of people, because even a niche down Baptist is still going to be multi-million dollars, which you can potentially start earning some commission. So that's step one, is you want to pick a niche, or in this case, you're going to want to pick a religion and then niche down. One thing that you can do is you can type in something like, we can type in Christianity blogs, and you can take a look and see all of the different types of Christianity blogs and just simply see what they're talking about and the types of content that they're creating. That's going to give you an idea of the best way to niche down so that you can talk to a targeted group of people. Because if we, for example, we take a look at this one and we plug this into Ahrefs, you're going to see that this is getting tons of views per month. So I'm going to go up here to Ahrefs, and I'm going to open up Site Explorer, and I'm just going to paste in this domain name. So we paste in the domain name like this, and you're going to see that this gets tons of traffic. And when there's traffic, there is money opportunity. Look at this. This website has a traffic value of $17,000 per month. Now, traffic value and the actual amount of money that it make can vary, but if we look at these organic keywords here, you're going to see that they rank for all sorts of stuff. Hymn stories, best commentaries. Let's see, a lot of this is his name. ESTV study Bible, or ESV study Bible, how to resist the devil. That's all interesting things that you could rank for and potentially make money. So step one is going to be niche down to a very select group of people. It won't be good enough just to talk to Christians. You want to talk to maybe a certain sect of Christians. And then within that, you may even want to focus on a certain area within that sect. It's still going to be an opportunity to bring in hundreds of thousands of dollars if you do it the right way. So that's step one. Step two is you're simply going to figure out the best place to create content. Now, there's a few different places. I see a lot of people creating Christian content on TikTok. You can do that. If you're looking for maybe an older demographic, you can start a YouTube channel. And there is tons of opportunity depending on the niche that you select. For example, if we just type in something like how to stop sinning, a very basic term here, as a Christian, as how to stop sinning the same sin Islam, you can see people are asking for their individual religious beliefs. But if we look at this, how to stop sinning as a Christian, the top result, 446,000 views, 324,000 views, 98,000 views, and this is all keyword research. So this is another reason why you want to get painfully obviously clear on who you're talking to, because different types of religions are going to be asking and answering different questions. So it's going to be important that you spend some time figuring out exactly who you want to talk to or who you want to speak to. You could say something like how to start believing in God, like this. And you're going to see, once again, there are millions of views out there to be had. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to write down 20, 30, 40 different keywords and then start thinking about the content that you're going to create. Obviously, with this content, you are going to want to link some Bible passages or whatever your religious beliefs are, passages to your content. You're going to answer the question. But what you guys came for is different affiliate programs. Now, there are tons of affiliate programs out there that I think that could work for this opportunity. The first one, believe it or not, is actually with Etsy. Now, with Etsy, I just typed in Christian motivation, and you're going to see that people are asking all different questions. SVG, wall art. So if we look at wall art here, you could actually be an affiliate for Etsy and recommend these different pieces of art. Now, the commission structure isn't going to be great. You'll probably get at most 5% commission on any of these that you refer to a new customer. So that's not going to be great, but this is one option to get up and running. Another option is we could simply look at Amazon. When I went over to Amazon, I just typed in, once again, Christian motivational wall art, and you can see that there are some products on here that are going for a decent amount of money. Now, the reason why you may want to consider Amazon is because if they click on your affiliate link and they purchase anything using your affiliate link, you can earn a commission. So let's say they click on your affiliate link to buy the Zero Talent wall art, but then they wind up buying a laundry detergent, you could earn a commission. If we just get rid of wall art like this, you're going to see that there are books, there's all sorts of stuff, there are movies, different things that you could promote. So if we look at this, you could promote water bottles if you wanted to, stickers. If we scroll through here, you can see there's all sorts of stuff that you could potentially promote as a Christian affiliate looking for Christian motivation. If we scroll through here, you can see things range between $10 and $30. Once again, not great because Amazon's only going to pay you up to a 10% commission. But once again, you can earn a commission on anything that you promote. Another simple thing that I did is I just went up to Google and I typed in Christian motivational quotes affiliate program. And then there are at least 2 blogs, maybe 3, that have done the legwork for it. So if we come here and we go 10 best Christian motivational affiliate programs, we can scroll through and they've actually done the legwork for us. Now, this website always has this pop-up that annoys me, so we just have to wait for this to go through. I'll clear it and then I'll show you what your options are. So if we look at this first one, for example, Church Source, if we click on it, you're going to see that they have all sorts of stuff. Bibles, Bible study, church leadership, books. If we look, you could apply to become an affiliate and potentially earn money. Depending on who your target market is, if we go over to books, discipline, spiritual growth, inspirational, that could be exactly what we're looking for. Devotionals, Jesus Calling. Let's click on inspirational, and you're going to see once again that there are books out there that you could purchase. Again, these books aren't going to be terribly expensive. You're going to run into an issue where you're going to need a lot of traffic in order to make a decent amount of money, unless you come up with something yourself. If you come up and you put together your own motivational quotes, that's a affiliate marketing 201. We'll talk about that maybe in some other video, but you can see that there are all sorts of different things out here, but this is just the first one. We can come back here and look at Dayspring affiliate program, and they have, again, other stuff. If we look at this one, Church Source, they pay a 10% commission. So they look like the products. The earnings per click is $55. So if you want to make $100 per day, you'd have to sell about 2 things. You have to make about 2 sales per day, assuming that each earning is $50 or more. If we look, as I mentioned, Dayspring affiliate program, they pay 13% commission. If we take a look, they have, once again, all sorts of stuff that you can get into. So I think that finding Christian-based products to promote isn't going to be the difficult thing. It's going to be creating consistent content. And as you can see here, they're actually an affiliate with ShareASale. That's another way that you can go out and find affiliate programs. You can look at affiliate networks like Commission Junction, ShareASale, Impact, and type in Christian or Christianity. Let me show you how to do that real quick. All right, so I'm over here on impact.com. It is an affiliate network. It has all sorts of products and services to promote. What you can do is you can simply search featured products. You can come over here, look on the left-hand side, look at charitable organizations, look for religion. There's all sorts of stuff that you could potentially find and help you make money. So if we click the drop down, you click on find brands, and then we can type in Christian like that, and hit enter, and we can take a look and see what pops up. Compassion, they pay a 10% commission based on donation. So that could actually be another way to go. But you can see that there are opportunities out here if you search. One of the easiest ways to go is to look at Etsy. You can also find different products over on Amazon. One of the best ways to find affiliate programs for any niche is just type in your niche plus affiliate program, and there are going to be lots of stuff that pops up. And you just want to pick through, find one that works for you, that makes the most sense for you. And then you are simply going to create the content to get in front of the targeted audience. Now, the person that commented on this video, I'll actually put the comment on the screen here. He's actually starting to get subscribers, and so he can easily find different affiliate programs, put those links in the description of his videos. I'd actually recommend that he do email marketing as well. So definitely check that out. Again, I'll put his YouTube channel name on the screen right now so that you can check it out, because he actually had a good idea. Now that you know how to make money online with the religion niche, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.